Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone, and in today's video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store app. Here at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, just click on the green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and open it. Here you want to tap on this blue continue button. Next, decide whether some of the options and features the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled and respectively set up from the start, or you can always skip and leave the configuration process for later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. And the last action you gotta do is either allow all the accesses and permissions the application requires, or customize them just like so. I'll just allow everything that it needs, and that will ultimately mean that you can go ahead and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.